Consider the following. You and your friends are having a very boring Saturday evening. So you decide to take a cab and go watch a movie. Someone pays for the cab and you proceed to buy some popcorn and enjoy the movie. Finally, you end the night with a fancy dinner. Fun night, wasn't it? Fast forward to the future. You need cash now. You vaguely remember someone borrowing from you a week ago. What about 2 weeks ago? A month ago? That's exactly why we made Payup. Whenever a group of friends go out, there's always a complex web of lending and borrowings happening, and it's impossible to keep track of it. Payup helps you to keep track of all this lending and borrowing, and also you can privately notify your friends whenever you need your money back, saving you from those awkward moments of asking for your cash back.
As you can see, the socially active among the internet using youth between the age group 15 to 35 are our target users. And the estimated market size of social money traded each year stands at $103 billion globally. As our priority was to get insightful early adopters, customer development was mainly done in startup exclusive groups in LinkedIn, Quora, startup subreddit of reddit.com, startuplee.st and betalee.st. Here is a working demo of Payup. This is a welcome screen of Payup, and this pop-up gives me an option to take a tour of the site. This is where you add the event description. Let's just say NVC dinner. This box here asks me for the date. And here is where I enter my friend's name. As you can see, the drop-down menu gives me the list of my Facebook friends, making it easier for me. Let's just say he borrowed $500 from me. Now that if more friends were involved, you could always add all of them one by one here by pressing the Add Friend button. And that's it, we are done. As you can see, the event has been added to my Payup timeline, and I can very easily mark any transaction as paid, notify my friend privately, or delete the transaction. Another important feature of Payup is that any transaction added by my friend involving me will be added to my Payup wall. These boxes on the right side gives you the simplified details of your individual transactions. That's all for the demo. The business model is freemium. A small base of paying users subsidize the free users. Apart from the normal features, for the premium user, Payup is a complete personal finance management tool, keeping track of all the expenses and incomes, from the monthly insurance premium to the electricity bill, from the EMIs to the TV subscription charges. Using data mining, the premium users get detailed graphical analytics on his spending habits and recurring expenses. With artificial intelligence, Payup also gives tips to the premium users on how to optimize his expenses against income. Currently, Payup is in the private beta stage, tested among 120 odd early adopters from startuplee.st and betalee.st and 3 LinkedIn startup groups. These are a few feedbacks we got from LinkedIn, Reddit and startuplee.st. The main competitors are Billmonk and Splitwise. But the unique advantage we have at Payup is a social media integration. Payup is integrated with Facebook and Twitter that even if your friends don't use Payup, you can still notify them. The private beta is already launched, and based on the feedbacks collected, we are soon going for an iteration to include these 2 features. Simplified debts in the group. It means that if Ishan owes Abhinav and Abhinav owes Rachit, then Ishan can just pay back Rachit directly. Fewer payments means less waiting for your money. The other feature we are adding is Trip Expense Splitter. That is, you can split the expenses of an entire trip like travel, stay, food, etc. Thank you.